In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand DHgate shipping cost. If you've ever wondered why the shipping fee changes from one listing to another, here's the key. On this marketplace, shipping is set by each individual seller. There isn't one fixed rate like you might see on a single vendor store. Costs vary based on the seller's chosen carrier, the shipping method, your destination country, the weight and size of the package, and even the quantity you order. That's why two shops can sell the same item with very different delivery fees and timelines. Start on the product page before you add anything to your cart. Open the listing, scroll to the shipping section under the price, and make sure you select your actual country and your intended quantity. The default can sometimes be set to a different country, which will show the wrong rate. Once your country and quantity are selected, you'll see the shipping fee and the estimated delivery window. It also helps to know the common shipping methods in 2025. E-packet is usually the cheapest, with medium speed around 10 to 25 days and limited tracking. AliExpress standard or China Post style services are affordable, have reliable tracking, and often arrive in about 10 to 20 days. Couriers like DHL, FedEx, or UPS are fast, roughly 3 to 7 days, but they cost more and are more likely to incur customs fees. A generic seller's shipping method is often the cheapest, but tracking can be slow or unclear and risk is a bit higher. For most buyers, a registered post option similar to AliExpress standard strikes the best balance. Watch for the cheap item, expensive shipping tactic. Always compare the total price, item plus shipping, across several sellers. Before you pay, check the final shipping cost at checkout. Add the item to your cart, proceed to checkout, and review the final fee, the delivery estimate, and any extra charges. Take a quick screenshot of that page for your records. Ordering in bulk can change things. Total shipping might rise, but the per item cost can drop. Message the seller and ask, "Can you offer cheaper shipping for a bulk order?" Remember that import tax, VAT, and customs clearance fees may apply depending on your country, and express couriers are more likely to trigger them. If the shipping still looks high, contact the seller. Ask if there's a cheaper method, whether they can combine shipping, what value they plan to declare, and how long processing will take. Clear, helpful replies are a good sign you're dealing with a reliable shop.